What is up, my dudes, and that one girl just wants to see me do some hard work? This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on our Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear or Kemimoto gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, cool, let's move on. Alright guys, so if you've been paying attention to my Instagram, I've been spending a lot of time trying to bring back a lot of this chrome. Let me give you a little preview of what I've been doing. Yeah, surprisingly, that is a lot of work, and it's just a lot of reminders why I usually don't do chrome. I haven't been shining up everything, and that is because a lot of stuff is going to be getting replaced, or the chrome itself is just completely gone, so I'll either have to send it out to a chromer, or again, I have it replaced. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. What I am going to do today is get the new handlebars on here and make sure they fit and make sure all the cables are the right length to see if I have to order new ones and all that other good stuff. It's not going to be complete today because I've got grips on order and a few other things, but I want to see how far we can get and how much it changes the look on this bike. These tins, the gas tank, the fender, the rear fender, they're going to be going out and getting hydro dipped for the theme of this bike. And yes, the theme is coming soon. I am so excited to unveil that to you because there's been a lot of cool stuff going on with that. I already have some special custom parts that came in from Brock Black Design. I can't wait to show those to you. And then the hydro dip itself is going to look amazing once I can get that done. So yeah, let's get into the work part, I guess, huh? So like stuff like this, there's no saving that. I did order some replacements for this. They're on their way. I'm still going to use these for the time being just to hold everything together. But yeah, new ones are coming. Alright guys, so I'm going to be going with a Dominator T-bar. And I actually learned about this company from Sean over at UCM Pigs. I'll tag his channel down below. Make sure you check him out. He does a lot of great stuff and a lot of good install videos with way better detail than I'm ever going to offer you. But yeah, Dominator just looked like a really cool company. They seemed like they're very nice and they treated Sean really well, so I wanted to give them a chance as well. So far, these bars look great. The chrome looks great. I'm going to get these on the bike and then we're going to see how they look. So let's do that right now. One of the other things I did while I was working on this was I shined up that triple tree. It was looking pretty nauseously bad, so that's all cleaned up now. better look there. I'm quite excited about that. Oh, what do you think? I like that. All right, let's see if we can get the other stuff back on the bars now and see if we have enough cable for it. If not, we're gonna have to replace some cables, but this isn't a big height difference from what was already there. It's just a different position. I didn't really like those buck bars and how those felt. So yeah, let's get this back together and check it out. It's so hot out right now. My GoPro was overheating, so I actually got to the point where I've been taking out the battery in between takes and then swapping the batteries just to help keep it a little bit cooler. I mean, it's pretty nasty out right now, let me tell you. All right, this might be a problem. What does that even go to? Oh man, I'm not even sure. It's on my headlight though, that's all I know. It probably goes to the headlight, who knows. But this is a high beam on this side. I got a directional. I'm not sure. Quite honestly, not sure. This might be too short to get on here though. I need to figure out what this cable is and then figure out if I need it or not, really. Because that's kind of sucks. That's not going to be long enough. That cable alone is going to be a reason why I have to get a longer one for this side. Yeah, same thing. All that's connected to the headlight. I'm not quite sure what it does or how it connects. I mean, I might be able to grab it by taking this off and then kind of grabbing it like that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Now we're getting somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like sweat pouring off of me right now. It is so gross. It is just, the forecast is soup. I am working in soup. It's horrible. I'm just gonna get these on loose because I got a couple of things I got to line up, and also I'm not quite sure where those cables are supposed to come through. There's not really a cutout for them, so I don't know. I'll play around with those a little bit. Oh, that one seems to have fallen in place. Cool. Let's snug that down just a little bit because I do need grips still. I have them on order. Should be in about a week or so. But yeah, I'm gonna have to move some stuff around. But at least we can get this stuff into its basic place. Get an idea of what it'll look like. Like, can you see the sweat dripping off my hat? This is so gross. Like, oh man, it is nasty out. It is just gross, nasty. All right, so hey, how does that look? I mean, everything's still loose. I got a lot of work to do for sure. Clean up some of these cables, get a little management going on, but this is basically what it's going to look like. I'm digging it. I'm pretty sure these two are for directionals. I'll end up probably having to get longer cables put on there. Not a big worry. If anything, I can just kind of manage them through here and here, like, you know, so we can neaten this all up. But all together, like, what do you think? How do you like it? I know some of the classic purist guys probably won't dig it so much, but I'm liking it. I like the feel. I like where it's landing on my height. These are nice bars. These are really nice bars. I'm digging this. I can't wait to actually get riding with these. So yeah, we got a few more things though, so hang out for a few minutes because I'm gonna put some other stuff on here from some other great companies that have been taking care of me for this build. All right, so when I got this bike, these were the mirrors I had. Not quite my flavor, not what I really dig. So the fine folks over at Kemimoto sent me these. These are the Kemimoto spears. I'm digging these, and I think these are gonna look really good on this bike with the rest of what's going on. So let's get these installed real quick and see how they look on the bike. All right, guys, how about that? Honestly, probably not going to see too much out of these. These are definitely more fashion over function, but I'm digging them. I am digging them a lot, and I feel like they're going to play in really well to the whole theme of the bike once the theme is set and done. You will see. Aside from that, thank you so much, Kemimoto, for sending these out to me and helping to support this build. I completely appreciate that. You guys, along with Saddleman, Hogworks, Suspension Technologies, you're helping to make this bike look absolutely awesome. And some of those brands I have not brought up yet on building this, you'll see them. Hang around. Hang around. All right, guys, that's where I'm going to leave you for today, because let's be honest, you shouldn't leave a ginger out in the sun for this long, even if he's only a half ginger. So I'm going to go back inside where there's shade and AC. What are you guys thinking? Are you liking this so far? Are you liking the direction this is going in? Sound off in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's like, oh, let's see if the gingers really do die in the sunlight. Pretty close, pretty close. He loves this stuff, trust me. I'll see you all on the flip side.